it. You burned your bridge with the venom that you spitted. Everything was peace, you put that to a cease. Now I rallied a petition for your early release from the team you used to run with, have fun with. Severed your ties, now you're over and done with. The choice you make is the path that you take. I got no time for you and all the moves you fake. It's bad enough you find it on the next man's wealth. You try to play the game but only played yourself. Now you roam around town with the crew of the week, with the hopes of resurrecting the respect that you seek. There's a thin line between the fake and the real. You chose to cut it loose, now your fate's been sealed. Maybe it's the fact that you think that you're better. Now you wonder why you've been stamped with the letter. F is for fake, front, fraud, or all above. And that's the reason why you never get no love. This is something that I had to get off of my chest. That's the way that it is, so I'ma put it to rest.
So we suggest you put an F on your chest.
I got no time for you and all the moves you fake.
So we suggest you put an F on your chest.
I got no time for you and all the moves you fake.
So we suggest you put an F on your chest.
I got no time for you and all the moves you fake. I got no time, no time.
This is dedicated to the ones that's overrated. My problem is this, so let my vice be stated. You claim the forefront of the so-called scene, but constant move faking is your daily routine. Living off the backs of those who came before you. Talk a good game, but now I got something for you. The real way, when we step to the plate, guaranteed to break it down so everyone can relate and see the bigger picture. Yo, you still small time. History in the making on a lyrical climb to the top of the game with the mic in my hand. What more could you expect from the three-man band? Underrated? Nah, never. My crew is too clever. Foundation is laid. Now it's time for me to sever the weak links. It's a thinking man's game. You should have thought about that before you ruined your name and took the easy way out. No doubt you felt the pressure. Never thought you would be top billing in my lecture. You know who you are, so take a seat with the rest. You're through. We suggest you put an F on your chest.
So we suggest you put an F on your chest.
I got no time for you and all the moves you fake.
So we suggest you put an F on your chest.
I got no time for you and all the moves you fake.
So we suggest you put an F on your chest.
I got no time for you and all the moves you fake. I got no time, no